The wine is very cold. Perfect if you organize a party or a dinner with friends. You go there, stack, you have your wine. Ta-da! Hello guys, today we are making sparkling white wine using the iGulu fermenter and dispenser, and also their product. They are making new products, so they are sending me to test it for you. Remember that you can buy all these products and also the iGulu machine with the discount if you click on the link under the video, or if you apply the discount code that will appear here in the video, you can find also under the video. If you cannot find it, you can write me a comment. I will send you the link and the discount code, because this kind of tools is perfect if you want to make a gift, especially, or if you are a beginner. If you make a gift for your father, your husband, your grandfather, they will be happy to try this experiment and use this tool that is super easy to use it. Important things when we are doing something like this is to sanitize your keg. I hope that is the right pronunciation. Sanitize your container. So now inside I will put half glass of homemade liquor. I will shake very well. I will throw it because I don't want to change the taste of my white wine. Be only careful when you open the packet, because there is the wet part, the syrup, we can say, and the dry part, the card, that will guide our fermentation, the yeast with the nutrient, and also the wine fining, the bentonite that we need to use right now. So now we'll put this powder in the container with 250 ml of water at room temperature. We stir very well, and after we can add the syrup, the yeast, and now we need to fill up with filtered water until we reach the level. If you let the water drop from high like this, it's good, because in this way you add a little bit of oxygen to your water. The fermentation will run even better. So now we close with the lid. We put everything inside our fermenter. We connect all the pipes, and after we can start our program, our fermentation program. The fermentation will be 12 days at 20 Celsius degree, and after the temperature will be dropped to 2 Celsius degree for 5 days, and our wine will be ready. The fermentation starts, so super easy. Now we need to clean, but everything is already clean. We need only to throw our packages. See you in 12 plus 5 days for the tasting. When the process finished, automatically the machine dropped the temperature. Now our wine is very cold, 4 Celsius degree. Yesterday also I opened the CO2, so our wine will be crispy and sparkling. And for the tasting I prepared this kind of canapé. Is a slice of bread, roasted or toasted, with a little bit of stracciatella cheese, smoked salmon, and pinch of pepper. Remember that the smoked salmon you can make it at home, follow with the recipe you find here on the channel, and I use the Biltong box. You find the video here and the project of the Biltong box in our book of homemade cold cuts. So let's test the wine. Okay, let's test it only like this, without food. Very good, very refreshing, and very fruity. Let's see if match with the food. with the food is spectacular. So a very good product. Remember that you can buy it with the discount. You find the link under the video. You can send me a message. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to give me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you buy this machine, will be not only helpful for this stuff, but also for homemade stuff. Especially if you like to brew beer by yourself and you like lagers. Yes, you need something like that to keep the temperature down, cool temperature, especially if you live in Italy or in Thailand like me. Bye bye. Also the color, super nice. And you can see the wine is very cold. Perfect if you organize a party or a dinner with friends. You go there, stack, you have your wine. Bye bye.